Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was India's first vice president and its second president. He was a philosopher and introduced Western idealist philosophy to Indian ideas. His birthday is observed in India as Teachers' Day because he was well-known teacher. He was born in Tamil Nadu's Thiruratani on September 5, 1888. He was the son of Sitama and Sarvepalli Veeraswamy, an Indian philosopher, professor, and politician with the name of Radhakrishnan. His father was poor. Radhakrishnan paid for the majority of his education through scholarships. After enrolling in a college in Vellore, he eventually transferred to Madras Christian College. He specialized in philosophy as his major subject and did his BA and MA in it. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was chosen by the University of Mysore to serve as professor of philosophy in 1918. Radhakrishnan was proposed for the position of philosophy professor at the Calcutta University in 1921. The publication of Dr. Radhakrishnan's book Indian Philosophy took place in 1923. It was praised as a philosophical classic and literary masterpiece. He was hired as a professor of ethics at Oxford University and an Eastern University. He received the Bharat Ratna in 1954 and he was the first male teacher in India got Bharat Ratna. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was chosen to serve as the Andhra University Vice Chancellor in 1931. Radhakrishnan was appointed Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University in 1939. In 1948, he was elected as the chairman of UNESCO Executive Board. To celebrate his esteemed position, Radhakrishnan's student asked him his birthday is celebrated as Radhakrishnan's Day. But he said instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my privilege if September 5 is observed as Teacher's Day. On his 77th birthday, September 5, 1962, the first Teacher's Day was observed. He was chosen to serve as UNESCO's ambassador in 1946. Dr. Radhakrishnan was asked to lead the University Education Commission in 1948. After India gained its independence, the recommendations made by the Radhakrishnan Committee helped modify the educational system to India's need. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was chosen to serve as an ambassador to the Soviet Union in 1949. He contributed to establishing the groundwork for an established relationship with the Soviet Union. In 1952, Radhakrishnan was chosen to serve the first vice president. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was elected President of India in 1962 after holding the vice presidency for two terms. Radhakrishnan gets elected as a Fellow of the British Academy in 1938. He presented the German Book Trade's 1961 Peace Prize, the highest accolade bestowed to a writer by the Sahitya Academy. Radhakrishnan received the Sahitya Academy Fellowship in 1968, the Sahitya Academy's highest award given to a writer. He is the first person who got this award. Few months before his death, he got Templating Prize. He donated the prize amount to Oxford University. The year 1989, University in the memory of Radhakrishnan changed. The scholarship name is Radhakrishnan Chevening Scholarship. The philosophy of Radhakrishnan Rabindranath Tagore is the first book of Radhakrishnan. He believed Tagore's philosophy to be the genuine manifestation of the Indian spirit. In 1920, Radhakrishnan published his second book is The Religion of Religion in Contemporary Philosophy. On April 17, 1975, Radhakrishnan passed away due to heart failure.